Hey everyone, if you're looking for a compact and powerful desktop solution in 2026, Mini PCs are now more capable than ever. Whether you need a system for office work, entertainment, multitasking, or even gaming, this list covers the top 5 best Mini PCs on AliExpress that offer excellent value and performance. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. MLLSE G2 Pro Mini PC. The MLLSE G2 Pro is powered by the Intel Twin Lake N150 processor with 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB storage. It comes with Windows 11 Pro, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.2 support. This Mini PC is designed for everyday computing. It handles browsing, office applications, streaming, and online meetings smoothly. The LPDDR5 memory improves overall responsiveness, making multitasking more fluid. Its compact size makes it ideal for small desks or minimal workspace setups. Pros: strong performance for daily tasks. 12GB LPDDR5 RAM for smooth operation. Windows 11 Pro pre-installed. Compact and energy-efficient design. A reliable choice for home and office users who want stable everyday performance in a small form factor. Number 2. Mini PC T9 Plus. The T9 Plus runs on the Intel Alder Lake N95 processor and features 16GB RAM. It offers storage options including 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB SSD, and comes with Windows 11 Pro. With 16GB RAM, this Mini PC delivers solid multitasking performance. It works well for office productivity, online work, streaming, and light editing. The compact build allows flexible placement anywhere on your desk. Pros: 16GB RAM for better multitasking, multiple SSD storage options, efficient and stable performance, small and portable design. A great mid-range Mini PC for users who need extra memory and flexible storage options. Number 3. KAMRU Mini PC Intel N95. This KAMRU Mini PC features the Intel N95 processor with 8GB or 16GB DDR4 RAM and 256GB or 512GB SSD options. It supports dual HDMI with 4K output and includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The KAMRU model focuses on productivity. Dual HDMI support makes it perfect for multi-monitor setups, improving workflow efficiency. It provides stable performance for spreadsheets, presentations, browsing, and video playback. Pros: dual 4K HDMI support, multiple RAM and storage configurations, reliable productivity performance, suitable for office environments. An excellent option for business and home office setups that require dual displays. Number 4. MeLE Mini PC Core i5-1235U. The MeLE Mini PC comes with an Intel Core i5-1235U processor, 16GB RAM, and 512GB SSD. It includes dual Ethernet ports and USB Type-C connectivity. This Mini PC offers significantly stronger performance compared to entry-level models. It handles demanding office software, multitasking, coding, and light creative work with ease. Dual Ethernet ports make it suitable for professional networking setups. Pros: powerful Core i5 processor, 16GB RAM for advanced multitasking, dual Ethernet connectivity, premium compact design. An excellent performance-focused Mini PC ideal for professionals and advanced users. Number 5. FIREBAT A6 Mini PC AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS. The FIREBAT A6 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735HS processor with 16GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512GB SSD. It supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 and runs Windows 11. This is the most powerful option on the list. The Ryzen 7 processor delivers strong multi-core performance and capable integrated graphics. It is suitable for gaming, content creation, and heavy multitasking while maintaining a compact design. Pros: high-performance Ryzen 7 processor, strong integrated graphics, LPDDR5 memory, Wi-Fi 6 support. If you want maximum performance in a mini PC form factor, the FIREBAT A6 stands out as the best performance-focused choice. Final summary. For everyday office tasks, the MLLSE G2 Pro is a solid option. For better multitasking value, the T9 Plus is a strong mid-range pick. For dual monitor productivity, the KAMRU Mini PC performs well. For professional workloads, the MeLE Core i5 is the better choice. For gaming and demanding performance, the FIREBAT A6 leads the list. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more tech reviews in 2026.